Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Dropbox Smart Sync and revert folders, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Dropbox Smart Sync, begin by locating the Dropbox icon in your system tray. Right-click on the Dropbox icon to open the context menu. Select Preferences from the list that appears. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Sync tab. Within the Sync tab, look for the option labeled Smart Sync. Uncheck the box that enables Smart Sync features. Next, close the Preferences window to save your changes. Now, to uninstall the Dropbox application, go to the Control panel on your computer. Click on Programs, then select Programs and Features. Find Dropbox in the list of installed programs. Right-click on Dropbox and select the option to uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Once uninstalled, you may want to revert your folders. Access your File Explorer and navigate to the Dropbox folder. Select any folder that was previously set to Smart Sync. Right-click on the selected folder and choose Make Available Offline. This action will download the files from the cloud to your local storage. Repeat this process for any other folders you wish to revert. Once you finish, verify that all your necessary files are now available offline. This concludes the process of uninstalling Dropbox Smart Sync and reverting folders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.